This genre of style is really popular. The short, textured, choppy pixie style cut with a little bit of wave and volume and body. Today we're going to do a comparison of two styles. I think they work perfectly as sister styles. One is on the affordable end of the spectrum. The other has more monofilament, which drives up the price a bit. We're going to check out Rene Of Paris's LUCA. I'm showing it to you in white, rose blonde. And then we're going to compare that to Ellen Villa's Relax in sandy blonde coming up. Rene Of Paris's LUCA is an adorable, everyday, comfortable wig. It gives you that texture and that choppiness, that wave. It's absolutely timeless in its design. And I just love it because it's easy to wear. Now, LUCA is more on the affordable side. Remember, if you go below the video and expand the description box, there's going to be a direct product link for each one of these styles. LUCA is most always on sale. In fact, if you do decide to purchase it through this video, the link will take you to the site and give you an automatic 30% off of LUCA in checkout. And then Relax is a little more expensive because it does have some monofilament features, but those links are also listed below. So we're looking at about a 4.5-inch piece on the bang on LUCA, 4.5 inches on the crown. That tapers into a 1.75-inch nape. Those are all nearly identical specs to the Relax, with the exception it's an open cap design, lots of permatease there. Very, very, like I say, affordable. So now we have the cap for Relax, which features a temple-to-temple lace front and a little bit of monofilament there at the crown. I think this lace may be just a little more naturally. Both of these are made from the heat-friendly fiber. Both just adorable. In fact, as sister styles, I can see this being, LUCA being your everyday workhorse style option. And then when you just want to kick it up a notch, maybe pull it away from the face, you might look to Relax. But the point here is that I think if you like one, that you're really going to enjoy the other. So check them out in the links below. I'll do a quick side-by-side for you here so you can see these in action. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.